Hi, want to know how to clean your Google Pixel 9 Pro and also the charging port? So, as a first step, let me show you what I'll be using today to clean my phone. First thing is just alcohol spray to remove all of the bacteria from the screen of my phone. Next thing is this special cleaning tool which looks like a basic needle to clean the charging port. Then here I got also a special cleaning tool for the lenses of the camera with this little wipe at the end, which is from the material for cleaning. And also I got the same material, bigger wipe for my phone screen. And all of these tools I got from just one big cleaning tool 20 in 1 from Chinese site. So if you are a fan of clean devices, you can also order similar one. And now let's start with the screen by itself. First thing that I will do is to take the alcohol spray and then do one spray on the screen. Now, when we have done one single spray, we don't need to use a lot of alcohol. We need to take this special wipe. It doesn't have to look exactly like this, just the material is important. And start wiping off our screen. And now if we will take a look on our screen, we can see that it's perfect and clean. Now let's move on to the camera lenses. I got this thingy that I showed you before, which has absolutely the same material like the screen wipe. And all of these are just basic wipes which has been created for glasses and screens and camera lenses, just basically everything that is made out of glass. So I'll just take this thing without any alcohol on it and start wiping the glass part on my camera. And this is it. If we will take a look on our camera now, you can see that it's also clean and perfect. Here is it how it looks. Now, if I would like to clean the back side of my phone, which is not glass, I'll take just a basic wipe for the glasses, because this wipe is just soft and easy cleans every dirt and dust that you can find on this type material. And this is it. The outside of our phone now is perfectly clean. You can see it. And now we have the only thing left, which is the charging port of our phone. So because this charging port is basically a little hole, all of the dust and dirt will fall exactly in there, because if the speaker has a little net which is protecting the speaker from dirt, the charging port doesn't, because you need to plug the cable inside. And now let's clean it. I'll take this little needle and start doing like circle movement, because if we will take a look inside the charging port, you can see that at the middle we got this contact which we can touch. So we would need to go around that contact with the circle movement. So let's do it. I'll start with the bottom. And also remember that we never use physical strength. We don't push anything. We don't do any strength on the contacts, because break them is really easy and we need to be just careful and do everything slowly and lightly. So let's continue. And this is it. We have successfully cleaned our phone, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.